And talking of Sabir Ali's entry and immature exit, which could actually be, trouble now coming in for the BJP, because remember, the party is red-faced, and now this expelled JDU leader has filed a defamation suit against the BJP leader Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Sabir Ali is challenging Naqvi to prove the charges leveled against him, or he says that he must issue an apology.
From Mutalik's unceremonious exit to Sabir Ali being asked to stand at the doorstep, the BJP is sending out the message that all's not well in its admission rush.
हमने अभी उनको नोटिस बना लिया है। नोटिस हमारे वकील के थ्रू उनके पास जाएगा, क्योंकि 24 घंटे से ज़्यादा हो गए, उनके जवाब नहीं आए। मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा था।
The man linked to terror by Naqvi, not ready to take the charge lying down.
और नकवी साहब से कहिए कि वो इसी तरह से आप लोगों को बुलाएं और 24 घंटे के अंदर मुझे उनकी तरफ से एक अपॉलजी लेटर चाहिए कि उन्होंने जो कहा वो किसी वजह से कहा होगा, या जो भी उनके रीज़न है वो सच रीज़न सामने रखे, और नहीं तो सबूत दें कि हमारा ताल्लुक यासीन भटकल से है।
What we are being told by our sources that Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has a rather ample amount of evidences, and it's only after that that he has levied the kind of allegations which he did on Sabir Ali, and also after the kind of backing he got from the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh.
But does the growing dissent within the BJP ranks reflect the party's compromise in a rush to reach the 272 magic number?
Again, it's chaos and confusion. I don't think they even know who they take, who they don't take. It's the same case as Mutalik. I mean, clearly Mutalik is somebody whose ideology they loved. They brought him in, found some controversy. So they seem to be, playing politics with everything. They don't really know what they're up to.
But despite the embarrassment, the BJP is keeping its options open, not ruling out Sabir Ali's reinduction into the party.
No bites.
जहां तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का प्रश्न है, राज्य इकाई ने जो संस्तुति की थी उसमें भाजपा के पास जो ज्ञात जानकारी थी उसमें इस प्रकार का कोई तथ्य नहीं था।
Their leaders are miffed. The dissent is out in the open. So, from Yediyurappa to Sriramlu to Mutalik and now Sabir Ali, has the party compromised in its rush for the magic number? Bureau Report, Times Now.